Okay, good morning students. Today we will discuss about the combination of resistors. Combination of resistors means the resistors are combined in series or parallel as equivalent to capacitors to increase or decrease the resistance of the conductor. Means if the series combination is reliable for increasing the resistance or decreasing the current, means main motto of the combination is to increase the current. To increase the current, the resistance of the conductor or resistors must be decreased. The combination of resistance are of two types. One is series combination, second is your parallel combination. What is the definition of series combination? The series combination defined as means the resistors are said to be combined in series if the negative terminal of one resistor is connected to the positive terminal of another resistor and so on, then the combination is in series. Another important thing is that in series combination the current always remains same but the potential difference is different because the terminal are different. When the terminal is different, then the potential difference changes, and when the terminals are same, the potential difference remains same. And another important thing, when the terminal different, then the current remains same. When the terminals are same, then the current changes. In this diagram, I have taken two resistors having resistances R1 and R2 are connected in series. Let this is one resistor having terminal AB, another resistor R2 having resistance R2 having terminal BC. And here the potential difference between the terminal A and B is V1 and the potential difference between the terminal B and C is V2. Total combination is connected to a potential battery of potential difference V. Then as the potential difference V, then there is current flow that is let I. So I have written here potential difference changes because terminal is different. So here the potential difference is V1, here the potential difference is V2. Current remains same as the terminals are different, then the current remains same. From Ohm's law, V is equal to Ri or V is equal to IR. For fast resistor having potential difference V1, current is I, resistance is R1, so V1 is equal to R1I. And for second resistor, potential difference is V2, resistance is R2, therefore V2 is equal to R2I. And this is the equivalent resistance. Equivalent resistance means after combination of these two resistors, let the resistance is Rs. S for series. Rs is the equivalent resistance or effective resistance, or that is also known as the net resistance. Then for equivalent diagonal, V is equal to RSI. So as the total potential difference V is equal to V1 plus V2, V is equal to V1 plus V2. It implies Rs in place of V I can write RSI is equal to in place of V1 I can write R1I plus in place of V2 I can write R2I. Now taking common I on both sides, Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. This is the required derivation for the equivalent resistance for series combination, or Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. Similarly, if I will take n resistors, n number of resistors having equal resistances are connected in series, then according to this formula, Rs is equal to R plus R plus R dot 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 up to n times. That means Rs is equal to R plus R n times means Nr. Means resistance increases. Otherwise, the current decreases. Therefore, series combination, in case of series combination, the net current or total current of the equivalent combination is decreasing net current because the resistance is increasing. This is the required expression for the equivalent resistance of the series combination. Next part is your second part. Second type of combination is parallel combination. First, what is the definition of parallel combination? Parallel combination means the resistors are said to be combined in parallel if all the positive terminals of the resistors are connected to one end of the battery and all the negative terminals of the or all the other terminals of the resistors are connected to the negative end of the battery. There are two resistors having resistances R1 and R2. Here the terminals of the two resistors are A and other terminal is B. One terminal A is connected to the positive end of the battery and the other terminal B is connected to the negative end of the battery. Then the resistors are said to be connected in parallel. What happens in parallel combination? In parallel combination of the resistors, the potential difference remains same because the terminal does not change and the current changes, current remains changed because the terminals are same. As I have told you, when the terminals are same, then the current is different, and when the terminal is the same, potential difference is same. So according to this rule, here in parallel combination, the potential difference remains same and current changes. Now, this is the diagram I have taken for two resistors. You can take also 3, 4, 5 resistors. This is the equivalent circuit diagram. Here the resistance after combination of parallel, the total effective resistance is Rp, P for parallel and other things are same. Now from Ohm's law, V is equal to Ri. And what I am taking in this after this case, which is different, that I have to calculate. For example, in series combination, the potential difference is different. Therefore, from Ohm's law, I have separate the potential difference. In parallel combination, the current is different. Therefore, I am separating the current. I is equal to V by R. If V is equal to Ri, then I is equal to V by R. Or I1 is equal to V by R1 for first resistor. For second resistor, current is I2, resistance is R2, potential difference is V, so I2 is equal to V by R2. For equivalent circuit diagram, resistance is Rp, potential difference is V, current is I, so I is equal to V by Rp. So as total current I is equal to I1 plus I2. Therefore, I is equal to I1 plus I2. In place of I have taken V by Rp equal to, in place of I1, I have taken V by R1. In place of I2, I have taken V by R2. Now V by Rp is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2. V cancel out means 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 because V will cancel out. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Or 1 by Rp by taking the LCM of the both two R1 and R2. The LCM is R1 R2. In a numerator that is R1 plus R2. Or 1 by Rp is equal to R1 plus R2 by R1 R2. Or Rp how much? R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. This is the required expression for the equivalent resistance of combination of resistors in parallel combination. Now the special case is if there are n resistors are connected in parallel combination and each having equal resistances R, capital R, then 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R plus dot 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 1 by R up to n times. Means I can write 1 by Rp is equal to n by R or Rp is equal to R by n. If n increases, means the number of resistors increases, then the total equivalent resistance or net resistance or effective resistance also decreases, for which the current increases. Therefore, if my aim is to increase the electric current, then I have to combine the electric circuits in parallel combination so that the total effective resistance decreases and the current will increase. This is the required expression for the series combination and parallel combination. The question, many types of question comes from this. Also numericals. I will solve the numericals here. Combination of resistor question, long question, 7 marks. That what is combination of resistors or resistance, and derive an expression for the equivalent resistance for series combination and parallel combination. Okay, next part is your color code for carbon resistor. Why it is known as the carbon resistor? It is made up of a carbon rod. Why it is made up known as the color code? It is coated with some color band. Therefore known as the color code for carbon resistor. What is its definition? A color code is used to indicate the resistance value of a carbon resistor and its percentage accuracy. It is carbon color code carbon resistor. Carbon rod and on it like this. It is made up of carbon rod, coaxial, and it is coated with some colors, different colors, like this. These are the different colors. Some gap is between colors, and it will measure the accurate resistance accuracy. Now, which type of color, and let I am recording some resistance 10 ohm, then which how it looks like. There are some rules to identify or to find the resistance of the color code carbon resistor. What are the rules? What are the colors? Different colors: black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, green, gray, white. There are 10 different colors: 3, 6, 9, 10. Black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, green, gray, white. This is gray, this is green. Rule BBROY, first letter GDVGW. How it will remember? There are some rules to remember it. BB Roy of Great Britain had very good white. B for first black, another B for brown, R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, of no letter. Great, G for green, Britain, B for blue, hat, B for violet, G for grey, W for white. Very good, white. Remember the word BB Roy of Great Britain had very good white. First B always black, then is brown. First green, you great, G for green, good, G for grey color. Then number, or that is known as significant digits, numbers or significant digit. That is started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 for black. Remember, we have to remember this. Only first remember the rule, then you can easily calculate the resistance of the color code carbon resistor. 0 for black, 1 for brown, 2 for red, orange, 3 for orange, 4 for yellow, 5 for green, 6 for blue, 7 for violet, 8 for grey, 9 for white. Then another column is multiplier. Multiplier, whatever the number or significant digits, that is the power of 10. Black, 10 to the power 0 for black, 10 to the power 1 for brown, 10 to the power 2 for red, 10 to the power 3 for orange, 10 to the power 4 for yellow, 10 to the power 5 for green, 10 to the power 6 for blue, 10 to the power 7 for violet, 10 to the power 8 for grey, 10 to the 9 for white. And except this color, another color there are also gold, silver and no color. If there the last band is no color, then also that is known as the tolerance value. Tolerance means positive, negative, either error, increasing or decreasing. For gold, we have to take the value plus minus 5%. For silver, we have to take plus or minus 10%. For no color, we have to take plus or minus 20%. You have to remember this table first before going or discussing the rules to find out the different systems of color code carbon resistor. Mind it, remember it, the rule. BB Roy of Great Britain had very good white. First B is black, second is brown, R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, G for green, B for Britain, B for blue, very, B for violet, good, G for grey, white, W for white. Then now we will discuss how we will find or calculate the resistance of a color code carbon resistor for different color band system. Let here, this is a color code carbon resistor having 4 band system. This is one band and these are different colors or maybe same colors. If this is a 4 band system, then the first band, color band, is always taken as the first significant figure. The first significant. Second band is the second significant figure, means numbers. Third band is the used for multiplier. And fourth band is the tolerance band. If let the last no, there is no band. Tolerance means no gold, no silver. This tolerance means gold or silver or no color. If this is not gold or silver, then you have to take it no color. Means also that is taken as the 4 band system. This is 3 band system. In case of 3 band system, the first band is always taken as the written for first significant figure. and second band is for second total multiply. Three band system. First is the first significant figure. Second band is your multiply. Third band is your tolerance band. Let an example give an example and the rules are same. Colors are these are the different colors or maybe same colors. So if this is no color means no gold, no silver, then you have to take it as no color, and the tolerance value must be that is plus or minus 20%. Similarly, 5-band system. The first significant figure means let it is blue color or black color or brown color. Let it is brown color. Then first significant the brown, black, brown. The significant figure for brown is 1. Let the second color, second band is red. Red, this is the second significant figure. 0, 1, 2. Red, 2. The significant figure is 2. Let this is grey color. Grey means G, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9 means it is for multiplier into 10 to the power 9. The last is no color. Plus this much ohm plus or minus 20%. Like this, the resistance is calculated. So about this, we will discuss more problems in also in books. You can solve the problems and remember the code for it. This is the color code, carbon resistor and color code for carbon resistor.